Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be demonstrating the AptiHub system, a versatile platform designed to streamline product management, inventory, orders, and more. Una ko pong i-explain muna yung code. Ito po yung folder namin na nasa HTDocs since gumamit kami ng MySQL under sa SAP. The name of our file is inventory. You can see the database. Where the SQL was imported. Then sa assets, dun po naka-upload ang aming fonts, CSS for styling ng aming UI, designer, and uploads ng image ng products and logo po namin. For pages po, ito po yung page ng aming website. And for the folder, required dun po na config dun namin pinapalitan ang mga need na i-update if ever man na meron. I'll start by giving you an overview of the system and its roles. The system supports three main user roles. Yung una po yung admin. The admin oversees the entire system, including managing users, products, and inventory. Next naman po yung user. This role allows individuals to browse products, place orders, and track them. Last, employee. Employees focus on updating inventory and managing sales. Let me now show you the login process. Once logged in, you'll see a clean dashboard with easy access to features like managing products, viewing orders, and updating inventory. Now, I'll hand over to my colleague who will dive deeper into product and inventory management.
Product and inventory management. Thank you. Let's look at how the system handles products and inventory. First, let me show you how to add a product. Here you can input the name, category, price, and quantity. Once added it appears in the inventory list. Updating or deleting product is just as straightforward. Next, let's talk about the inventory management. The systems allows you to adjust stock quantities and view a complete inventory list. You can also organize products into categories for better management. Finally, there's an option to print, copy, or view the inventory list, which is helpful for record keeping or audits. Now let's move on to how orders are handled in the system. Over to my colleague.
Thanks. Now let's Now, let's explore how orders are managed in the ApplyHub system. As a user, placing an order is simple. Once an order is placed, employees or admins can view it in the orders section. Here, you can track the status of orders, print orders details, or copy them for further processing. This feature ensures smooth communication between users and employees. Admins and employees can also use this section to generate reports or analyze order trends. With this, we see how ApplyHub handles orders efficiently. Next, my colleague will walk us through the administrative features.
Thank you. Let's now focus on the administrative features of the system. As an admin, you can manage suppliers and categories. These features make it easy to organize and streamline the product database. Another key feature is user management. Admins can add, update, or remove users and assign roles like admin, user, or employee. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access specific features. The admin also oversees the entire system security and functionality, ensuring smooth operations across all modules. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for your attention. We're happy to answer any questions you might have.